Hey YouTube, today we're going to change the key battery on the key of the i20N. So this is the key. If you press, it still has some battery in it, but when I exit the car, I received the message that the battery was not working. So let's take out the emergency key. So we took out the emergency key, and with this key we will use it to twist and open this plastic casing. So it was just as easy like that. We take out the bad battery out. This was the original battery. There's a replacement battery. Make sure that the positive side is on downside for the key. And then we just need to we'll just click it back and put the emergency key back in place. I need 2 hands to do that. And that's about it. A very easy fix for the i20 key battery, i20N. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.